In today's video, I am going to teach you how to install Salesforce Jira connector fast. To begin, open Jira in your web browser and make sure you are signed in to the correct Jira site for your organization. Once you are in, go to the main Jira area called For You. This is a convenient starting page that gives you access to key navigation items, including the apps and marketplace options you will need for the install. Next, look toward the top navigation area and select the option that takes you to Apps and Integrations. From there, choose the Marketplace or the option that lets you discover apps. The goal here is to get into the Atlassian Marketplace page inside Jira, where you can search for and install new tools. When the Marketplace Discover page loads, click into the search field. Type Salesforce Jira Connector exactly as the app name appears. As you type, you should see search results begin to populate. Take a moment to confirm the spelling so you're searching for the correct connector. Now, in the search results, click on the listing for Salesforce Jira Connector. This should open the app details page, where you can review what the connector does, what permissions it requires, and which Jira editions it supports. It is a good idea to quickly scan this page so you know you are selecting the right product before starting the install. On the app page, click Try It Free. This typically starts the installation workflow and prepares the free trial so you can evaluate the connector in your Jira instance. Depending on your Jira permissions, you may need to be a site admin to complete this step. If you do not have the right access, you may need to ask an administrator to approve or perform the installation. After you select Try It Free, click Review. This is where Jira summarizes the trial and the app installation details. Read through the review screen carefully so you understand what is being added to your Jira environment. Finally, click Start Free Trial to confirm and begin the installation. After this, Jira will process the request and add the Salesforce Jira connector to your site. Once it completes, you can proceed with any configuration steps prompted by Jira or the app, but the installation itself is now done. And that is all there is to it.